The presidency has labeled former President Olusegun Obasanjo as a man who is jealous of the achievement of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for doing what he failed to do as the leader of Nigeria. The presidency, in a statement released on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Thursday by Tinubu's special assistant on social media, Dada Olusegun, said Obasanjo fancies himself as a self-righteous man who understands all the problems of Nigeria and knows the solution. He, however, criticized Obasanjo and accused him of failing to address the needs of the country when he had the opportunity to do so, but instead chose to waste the nation's resources. NaijaNews reports that the position of the presidency follows Obasanjo's recent open criticisms of President Tinubu's 15.6 trillion naira spent on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project in Chapter 6 of his new book, Nigeria Past and Future, unveiled to mark its 88th birthday last week. Obasanjo described the project as a misplaced priority. In response, the presidency said President Bola Tinubu would not be distracted, adding that Obasanjo must explain to Nigerians why he failed to transform Nigeria into a proper country during his time in power despite the abundance of resources at his disposal. The presidency highlighted that the Lagos-Calabar Highway project and other infrastructural projects embarked upon by Tinubu's government are open up to the economy for the benefit of Nigerians. The statement added that the future generation will judge who the better president is between Tinubu and Obasanjo. Why Nigerians are left to judge the better president between Tinubu and Obasanjo? You can also drop your opinion in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.